In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Shopify. Whether you're looking to streamline your business operations or simply want to ensure that your inventory is synced and transactions are processed seamlessly, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First, ensure you have active accounts on both Square and Shopify. If you haven't done this yet, head over to their respective websites and sign up. This is crucial because, without active accounts, you won't be able to proceed with the integration. Next, once your accounts are set up and you're logged in, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your online store. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side. Here, you can manage your current apps and explore new ones to add additional functionalities to your Shopify store. Now, within the Apps section, you'll want to click on Visit Shopify App Store. This will bring you to an external window showcasing various applications that Shopify supports. Here, you'll utilize the search bar function to type in Square and hit Enter. You'll be presented with a variety of options, so take your time to review their descriptions and select the one that suits your business needs. After selecting your app, you'll be prompted to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Installation usually involves granting necessary permissions, such as allowing the app to access your inventory data and connect with your Square account. Ensure you read through these permissions to understand what data will be shared between Square and Shopify. Once installed, head back to your Shopify app section, where your newly installed Square application should now be visible. Click on it to open its settings. You will need to log into your Square account to connect it to Shopify. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials at this stage. Rest assured, this integration is secure. With access granted, the next critical step involves syncing your products from Square to Shopify, or vice versa, depending on where your initial inventory is listed. This synchronization ensures both platforms are up to date with the latest stock information, preventing double selling or other inventory mishaps. Finally, you'll want to test if everything is functioning correctly. Navigate to your Shopify store and simulate a purchase to verify that transactions flow seamlessly into your Square system. It's essential to address any discrepancies early on. Check your inventory levels, view transactions in Square, and make sure that everything aligns. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Square with Shopify. It's that simple, and you should notice a more streamlined process for managing sales and inventory. This integration can help increase efficiency, reduce errors, and provide a better experience for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!